Hi, I'm Amy from East Bears. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove tough outdoor stains such as moss, mould, algae and lichens using the Patio Force cleaners. These types of growths can occur on patios, garden furniture, paved areas, paths, driveways, walls, greenhouses and many other outdoor spaces. They usually form in damp or shady parts of your outdoor area and are more frequent during the winter months. It's super important to remove moss and mould as they can be slippery, cause damage to outdoor furniture and of course are unattractive. Here I'm going to show you how to remove these growths using the products from the Patio Force range. There are two types of cleaners you can use for the job. Here is the Patio Force Concentrate Cleaner. Simply dilute the required amount with water and it's ready to clean. For a faster solution, here is the Patio Force Ready to Use Cleaner. Armed with a trigger spray, the solution is prepped and ready for instant use. The Patio Force products have concentrated fungicide cleaning action, which works to remove a buildup of moss, mould, lichens and algae, improving the look of your outdoors. These versatile cleaners can be used for outdoor paved areas, patios, paths, driveways, walls, greenhouses or conservatory glass, perspex and garden furniture. Once dry, they are completely safe for children and pets. The 5 litre concentrate cleaner has enough for up to 220 square metres of cleaning action, and the 5 litre ready-to-use cleaner can cover up to 50 metres square. Sweep or brush away any leaves, dirt or debris from the patio or the area you're about to clean. If you're using the concentrate cleaner, measure the amount required and add it to a watering can with water. The measurements you need can be found in the instructions on the back of the bottle. Depending on how much moss is on your patio, you will need up to 300 millilitres of the Patio Force concentrate mixed with 1 litre of water, and this should cover up to 3.3 metres square of patio. Test the solution on a small area first, just to make sure there's no reaction and that it takes well to the surface. If the small area is fine, continue to cover your whole patio with the solution. There's no need for scrubbing, simply leave the solution to work its magic. As you can see, the mould and mildew have started to disappear and the patio is looking clean and fresh. Don't worry if you find some growths are not completely gone. Some mould, mildew and algae take time to completely fade and you might see better results after it has rained. But rest assured, the cleaner is still working. Now I'm going to use the Patio Force Ready to Use Cleaner to clean and remove outdoor stains from this table and chair set. As a ready to use cleaner comes with a high quality trigger spray, it's ready to use straight away. The spray is really easy to attach, all you need to do is screw it on. Then simply spray and cover your outdoor furniture and the solution will start acting immediately to remove any dirt, moss, mould or algae. Leave your furniture to dry for clean, stain-free results. So there you have it, a really easy and effective way to clean your outdoors with no need for scrubbing. Now your outdoor areas are looking fresh and clean, why not get your home appliances looking their best too? Check out our playlist below for handy tips and advice to get your appliances gleaming. Don't forget to subscribe for more product demos and cleaning advice, as well as how-to guides and videos on appliance repair and home and garden maintenance. Thanks for watching!